We're going to try and do a kayak down the hill. That's the hill. Let's see if I'm successful. Okay, that's the kayak. Okay, I gotta put my feet in. Put my glove on. And here we go. Oh, come on! We're not moving yet. Here we go. Body English. Whoa! Okay. I hit the tree. Backwards. Okay, I didn't make it down the hill. That was fun. Can we do it again?
Hold on.
Say hi, David.
Hi, David.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm going to try the little sled. It's a little dirty, but... Oh, got my butt in it. Okay. Nope, kayak is better. Woo, we're not even moving. Here we go. Here we go. Trees. Not steep enough. Not even worth it. Oh, here I come. You know I'm supposed to use the brakes on these things, aren't I? Whoa! Ah! Here we go. We're going down. Up. We're still going. We're still going. Whoa! We're going to turn. Turn. Oh. Oh. Okay. There's the effort of the snow ride. Hello. Here comes David. There goes David. Disappears down into the gully.
That's two 180s in that turn.
So why can't we get up any speed?
Not packed yet.
We gotta pack it down. Too much loose stuff. Maybe we'll go zipping by later. Yes! Sleigh riding in North Georgia. What more could you ask for? David's graduating to the disc. And on down the hill he goes. So how was that one?
It's different. I think I prefer
So, the ratings get it. The kayak wins!